Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC P0420, which signifies that the catalytic converter system is functioning below its efficiency threshold in the Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. The catalytic converter is a critical component responsible for reducing harmful emissions from the engine by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. In this specific error, it indicates that the conversion rate of pollutants is not meeting the manufacturer's standards. This issue might require immediate attention to ensure both vehicle performance and compliance with emission regulations. It is important to begin troubleshooting by recording any freeze data and onboard snapshots, as well as checking for any other DTCs that may be present concurrently. DTC P0420 alerts us to a potential issue with the catalytic converter's efficiency. The catalytic converter is positioned in the exhaust system, directly after the exhaust manifold and before the muffler. Its primary role is to convert harmful exhaust gases produced during combustion into less harmful emissions. If this component fails or operates inefficiently, it can lead to increased emissions and reduced engine performance. In many cases, the performance of oxygen sensors, particularly the secondary oxygen sensor, often referred to as HO2S, can heavily influence catalytic converter performance. Poor fuel quality can also precipitate this error by affecting combustion and subsequently the performance of the catalytic converter. Identifying the root causes of DTC P0420 requires examining various potential issues. First, a faulty catalytic converter can lead to inadequate downstream gas conversions, prompting the DTC. Additionally, failures in the oxygen sensors, especially the secondary sensor, HO2S, can disrupt the feedback loop that monitors catalytic efficiency. Misfires, which can occur in any cylinder, may also introduce unburned fuel into the exhaust system, overwhelming the catalytic converter's ability to clean the emissions effectively. Lastly, using poor quality fuel can directly affect combustion efficiency, leading to higher emissions and contributing to this error code. Proper diagnostics will allow technicians to isolate the issue accurately. When DTC P0420 is triggered, drivers may begin to notice several symptoms that signal underlying issues. One of the most apparent signs is the illumination of the check engine light. This warning signals that there's a problem within the vehicle's emission controls. Additionally, drivers might experience reduced engine performance, such as decreased acceleration or power, because the engine might be running less efficiently. Another critical symptom involves increased emissions, which can affect environmental compliance and lead to the vehicle failing emissions tests. Being aware of these symptoms can help catch potential catalytic converter issues early on. The first troubleshooting step involves initiating the PGM-FI system check. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position. This action powers the vehicle's electrical systems and prepares it for diagnostic checks. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, commonly called HDS, to clear the DTC code from the system. Following this, start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load until the radiator fan activates. This step is crucial to ensure that the engine reaches optimal operating conditions, which will aid in accurate diagnostics. Afterward, allow the engine to idle before proceeding with the specified test drive. The second troubleshooting step focuses on test driving the vehicle under specific conditions to assess the performance of the catalytic converter. Ensure that the engine coolant temperature exceeds 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius, and that the transmission is in a drive, or D, gear. The vehicle should maintain a speed between 45 to 75 miles per hour, 70 to 120 kilometers per hour, for at least 5 minutes, employing the cruise control feature during this process. Carefully monitor the OBD status for DTC P0420 using the HDS, as this will provide vital information on the status of the catalytic converter. Upon completion, determine if the HDS indicates failed, executing, passed, or out of condition to guide further actions. In this third troubleshooting step, you will continue monitoring the vehicle's behavior after the initial checks. Keep driving until the HDS returns a result regarding DTC P0420. It's essential to observe how the vehicle performs under varied driving conditions. As you do this, ensure that you routinely check the OBD status with the HDS, as it will signal whether the DTC has changed status. If the HDS shows failed, it indicates a definitive issue requiring further investigation or replacement of the catalytic converter. Contrastingly, if it signals passed, it suggests the system is currently functioning as intended, potentially indicating an intermittent failure. For the fourth step, initiate a reset of the powertrain control module, or PCM, using the HDS. This reset will clear any stored data and ensure the system operates on current conditions. Subsequently, conduct the PCM idle learn procedure, which helps the engine control unit adjust to recent changes and conditions. After completing these actions, it's important to drive the vehicle until OBD signals show the CATA monitor condition as okay. This process ensures that the vehicle is adequately tested and monitored for further abnormalities. The driving time may extend up to 10 minutes or more to gather sufficient data for a conclusive analysis. Upon completing the troubleshooting steps, the final actions include verifying repairs through the OBD status check. Begin by turning the ignition switch to on again. Once prepared, reset the PCM using the HDS one more time to establish baseline parameters. Conduct a check of the OBD status for DTC P0420, ensuring the readings are accurate and reflective of the work performed. If the HDS indicates passed, this signifies that the vehicle's systems are operating smoothly and that all issues have seemingly been resolved. However, if any other pending DTCs still appear, you should proceed to troubleshoot those codes accordingly. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0420 and maintain the health of the catalytic converter, consider establishing preventive maintenance routines. Using high-quality fuel is essential, as it can prevent deposits and enhance combustion efficiency. Additionally, performing regular engine inspections can help identify potential issues before they escalate into major problems, particularly concerning the exhaust and emissions systems. Routine emissions checks also ensure compliance with regulations and help in early detection of performance dips within the catalytic components. By adopting these proactive measures, you can extend the life of the catalytic converter while ensuring optimal engine performance. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0420 effectively involves understanding the roles of key components like the catalytic converter and oxygen sensors within the exhaust system. By following systematic troubleshooting steps, from initial checks to final verifications, technicians can accurately diagnose issues and perform necessary repairs. The importance of using quality fuel and conducting regular maintenance cannot be overstated. These practices significantly contribute to vehicle reliability and performance. Awareness of the symptoms associated with this DTC aids in prompt intervention, leading to a healthier engine system and compliance with emission standards. Adopting a comprehensive approach can ensure the longevity of your Honda CRV's emission systems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.